Welcome, 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 everybody. How are you today? This is Coach Margene, and this is a new year, 2025. And my goal for 2025 is to help entrepreneurs, internet marketers learn how to do affiliate marketing and understand what affiliate marketing actually is and what benefit affiliate marketing can be to you for your existing business, or maybe you're a newbie. Maybe you've thought about it. Maybe you have that desire to have a business online and just don't know how to get started. Maybe you're the one that has fear of being on a camera and not wanting to have a face brand where you do video, where you talk to your audience. And affiliate marketing is that type of a business model that can survive under the guise of a faceless brand, which means you do not have to let anybody know who you are as you are producing affiliate marketing products. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you can also have your own products. So that opens the door to those that have a face brand, to those that want the world to know who they are, what they're about. And it is also an aspect that people can add to their existing brand, which is what I'm doing because I am a life business coach and I love helping online entrepreneurs learn how to use Facebook, build a business organically, and stay out of Facebook jail, and encourage them to work on their mindset. Because regardless of what type of business owner you are, mindset must be the number one thing focused in your business for you to grow and continue to build and rise above those beginners. So let's get started. So, what I want to do today is I want to just let you know what affiliate marketing is. So, as a coach, I have come into the venue of affiliate marketing way back in 2016 as I was building my online business on Facebook as a health expert, not health, beauty expert in makeup. I found or discovered that I was connected with a group of people who were affiliate marketers, and I had no idea what affiliate marketing was. I had no idea. Of course, dummy me, I didn't go and research it and learn about it and got caught up into a group of people that were trying to teach me what affiliate marketing was. And I just stuck with it and did the training. And here I am many years later, actually active as an affiliate marketer, earning some income as an affiliate marketer, and building an affiliate marketing business hub where I can have an online space, a domain, a website, as you probably think of it, that I can drive traffic to, that can drive people to my offers, drive people to my private community that I have on my website, and connect with me in learning more and more about this opportunity. So, affiliate marketing 101, and I call it that because we got to start somewhere. And sometimes, even if you have been doing affiliate marketing, you just need to get back to the basics and be reminded again about the processes that need to help you in your business, the processes that you need to take. So, I'm going to break down the basics of affiliate marketing, what it is, and why it could be a game changer for you and your business. So, if you've been curious about starting an online business or creating additional streams of income, you are in the right place. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? So let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you can earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. And here's how it works. You find a product or a service that aligns with your interest or your expertise. And yes, some people do make mistakes. Some people don't understand what that entails, but I will be teaching you more about that aspect. Number two, you partner with a company's offering the product, and usually you join their affiliate program. And I'll be providing you more details on what that looks like and what that means. Number three, you promote the product through your unique affiliate link. And again, I will be teaching you more about what that means in the future. And when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. I mean, it's that simple. It's that easy. But you have to make sure that you have all the elements in place for you to be able to do that, or you're just going to be frustrated. And even though it is simple as recommending something that you love and getting paid for it, why would you want to do affiliate marketing? So let's talk for a moment about why affiliate marketing is so appealing. And the first aspect of affiliate marketing is it is a low startup cost process. Unlike starting a traditional business, you don't need to create your own products, you don't need to hold inventory, and you do not need to manage shipping. Your primary investment is your time and your effort. The flexibility and income that affiliate marketing has allows you to work from anywhere, whether it's in your home office, at a coffee shop, or even while traveling. You can work from your home, your mobile device, and that's what makes it so appealing. You can be sitting at the beach as long as you've got a good connection. You can be working your business. And when you decide how much you want to do, it's your decision. The third element is unlimited income potential. There is no cap on how much you can earn. Many online entrepreneur affiliate marketers are earning up to $200,000 a year with affiliate marketing. But as you grow your business, you also grow your audience and you refine your marketing strategies. Your commissions will increase. You have to be growing as an affiliate marketer. You have to be building an email list. You can't be earning that $200,000 a year with the same email list. You have to be adding to that email list. Number four, there's diverse niches. Affiliate marketing is not a one size fits all. Whether you're into health and fitness, technology, personal development, or any other niche, there is a program for you. So you can target different niches with your message. And if you find a market that you are so excited about and in love with and focus on that one market, now you're going to drive all your traffic to those people that have the same interests, which can help be a consistent income for your business. And number five, skill development. As an affiliate marketer, you will develop skills like content creation, marketing, and audience management. And these skills are transferable on an open door to other opportunities. Now, let's just talk for a moment about how affiliate marketing fits into your life. So imagine this. You built an online business hub. I have an affiliate marketing business hub. There are different types of hubs for online businesses, but your online business hub that acts as your digital storefront, which is what I was talking about earlier. My hub is my storefront. And this hub is a one-stop destination for your audience to learn about the products that you recommend, access your content, and make purchases. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever gone and read a blog, been sent a link to an online blog, and you open that blog up, and then you have these pop-ups popping up here and there? You probably see this a lot on Google when you search for some specific information on Google and you get to a page and you're reading this answer to this question. It could be a recipe website that you're looking for a specific recipe and you find that recipe. And as you're going through that blog about that recipe, you see these little ad boxes keep popping up. You see these pop-ups off to the side. Well, those are affiliate offers that blog owner has added to their blog. And your ads for your products could be one of those ads once you learn how to grow your business. And in my upcoming workshop, I'll be showing you exactly how to set up this kind of hub. You'll learn the step-by-step process to create a foundation for your affiliate marketing business, even if you're just starting out. So why am I introducing you today to Affiliate Marketing 101, my Facebook group where I'm going to be doing live trainings on a weekly basis or discussions concerning affiliate marketing. And I hope you'll ask to join my Facebook group and be a part of it. And also you will be invited to join my affiliate community, my private community, which is off social media, which is not on Facebook, where I host courses that will be helpful to you as a business owner, some in connection with affiliate marketing, some with just the mindset that a business owner must have in order to stay on track with your business and be successful. I hope that when I invite you to my workshop that you will sign up for my workshop. There will be some free content and there'll be some paid content because it's going to be that chance for you to dig deep into how to set up your affiliate marketing business hub and explore the long-term benefits it can bring into your life. So thank you for today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the replay. And I know I'm not live in my group right now. This is going to be a recorded message for you, but please comment in the post, hashtag replay, that you're watching this. Ask the questions, connect with me so that we can get you rocking and rolling for 2025 into your business, which could be the dream that you've had for 2025 that you've not taken action on, but you've thought about it. Now may be the time for you to start taking action and getting what you desire and what you need for your life and for your future in online internet marketing businesses. So thanks for being here, everybody. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah.